Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezel, Break the Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We are kicking off investment week today. Each day, we're going to be covering a different aspect of real estate investing. We're going to start off with a single-family rental property. A single-family rental property is the tried and true classic real estate investment. It's very safe, it's predictable, it's what most people start off with. And let's go into a few of the details why. Number one, most people get the actual return of a single-family home wrong. It's not just whatever that rental income is. No. That's why so many people are not doing rental properties right now, because they just see the surface, which is a 3 or 4% return, which is not wonderful, but that's not it, right? You have your rental income. So that's the benefit number one. If you're cash flowing, perfect. If you can cash flow minimally, a couple $100s a month, that's great. Another suggestion, start a self-directed IRA. That way all those funds get directed into an account, and it's an actual investment account. Okay, next, what a lot of people don't really factor in are the expenses. You get to write off a lot of the expenses, mortgage payments, like the interest, things like that. You get to write that off. At the end of the year, that's another couple percent return on your money. It's not necessarily cash in your pocket, but it's money back. Last, you actually get the appreciation of the neighborhood. Historically speaking, property values go up. If you take like a 5, maybe 10-year chunk, yes, property values do fluctuate. But if you take a 10 or 20, 30-year aspect, property values increase. So as the neighborhood appreciates, the value of your investment goes up. So when you go to sell it, hopefully you're going to sell it for a profit. So add in your rental income, your cash flowing, the writing off of your expenses, and then the fact that your property value is going to appreciate. Add in A plus B plus C. That's your total return on your rental property. That makes a rental property a great investment. Have a great day.